Welcome to this video. This video fully made by AI. Hey there, welcome back to Andrew's Countdown. I'm so excited to share with you today's video on 10 easy DIY home decor ideas that will transform your space. As we spend more time at home, it's important to make our living spaces comfortable, cozy, and beautiful. And what better way to do that than with some fun and creative DIY projects? Whether you're a DIY expert or a beginner, these home decor ideas are easy to follow, budget-friendly, and will bring a personal touch to your space. So grab a cup of coffee, get cozy, and let's get started. Number 1. DIY geometric wall art. We all want to have beautiful art on our walls, but it can be expensive. This is why our first DIY home decor idea is to create your own geometric wall art. Not only is it super affordable, but it also allows you to be creative and have fun with shapes and colors. You can choose a color scheme that matches your decor or go bold with bright colors. It's up to you. Number 2. DIY fabric-covered lampshade. Lighting can make all the difference in a room, but sometimes lampshades can be a bit plain. This is where our second DIY home decor idea comes in, a fabric-covered lampshade. With just a few materials, you can transform a plain lampshade into a beautiful statement piece. You can use any fabric that you like, whether it's a bold print or a neutral color, and it's a great way to add a pop of texture and warmth to your space. Number 3. DIY macrame plant hanger. Plants are a great way to add life and color to any room, but finding the perfect place to put them can be tricky. Our third DIY home decor idea is to create a macrame plant hanger. Macrame is a knotting technique that's been around for centuries, and it's making a comeback in home decor. With just a few basic knots, you can create a beautiful and functional plant hanger that's perfect for any plant lover. Number 4. DIY gallery wall. A gallery wall is a perfect way to showcase your personal style and memories. You can mix and match different frames, sizes, and colors to create a unique display that reflects your personality. You can also switch out the photos or artwork as often as you like, so it's always fresh and new. Number 5. DIY bookshelf. If you're in need of more storage space, a DIY bookshelf is a great solution. There are so many different ways to create a bookshelf that fits your style, whether it's using wooden crates, an old ladder, or even repurposing a dresser. Not only is it functional, but it's also a great way to display your favorite books, pictures, and decor items. Number 6. DIY painted vases. If you love flowers, then you'll love our 6th DIY home decor idea, painted vases. Instead of buying expensive vases, you can create your own with some plain glass vases and some acrylic paint. You can create different patterns or designs, or even write a quote or message on the vase. It's an easy and affordable way to add some color and personality to your space. Number 7. DIY hanging shelves. Hanging shelves are a great way to add some storage space and visual interest to your walls. You can use any type of wood or even repurpose an old wooden board. With just a few screws and some rope, you can create a beautiful and functional hanging shelf that's perfect for displaying your favorite items. Number 8. DIY framed mirrors. Mirrors are a great way to make a space feel larger and brighter, but they can also be quite expensive. Our 8th DIY home decor idea is to create your own framed mirrors. You can use any size or shape of mirror that you like and create a frame to match your decor. You can use wooden trim, metal brackets, or even repurpose old picture frames. It's an affordable way to add some style and function to your space. Number 9. DIY decorative pillows. Pillows are a great way to add some comfort and personality to your couch or bed. Our 9th DIY home decor idea is to create your own decorative pillows. You can use any fabric or pattern that you like, whether it's a bold print or a subtle texture. You can also add some embellishments like tassels, fringe, or buttons to make them even more unique. Number 10. DIY wall hangings. Our final DIY home decor idea is to create your own wall hangings. There are so many different ways to make a wall hanging, whether it's using yarn, rope, fabric, or even driftwood. You can create any pattern or design that you like, whether it's geometric, abstract, or even a simple quote. It's a great way to add some texture and interest to your walls. And there you have it, 10 easy DIY home decor ideas that will transform your space. I hope you found some inspiration and ideas to make your home more comfortable and beautiful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends and family. If you decide to try any of these DIY projects, make sure to tag us on social media at Andrew's Countdown so we can see your creations. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more home decor ideas, DIY projects, and other fun countdowns. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.